Café?
Non, merci.
Fraise?
Yeah.
But I don't think she will eat all of this. It looks like we're going to a botanical garden. It's confirmed. Do you see this behind? Buenos días. Somebody see? After breakfast, we had foie gras with a little bit of wine.
Wine.
Yes, strawberries.
Strawberry to me.
Yes, and cheeses,
She's to me.
French cheeses,
She's to me.
and butter
Butter on me.
or beurre.
My butter boy. I need.
After the meal, we'll go to the city. I think we will visit Botanical Garden in Nantes. Look at this. I'll zoom. Something is on the tree. Huh? And after that, we have booked at 6 o'clock in the afternoon some kind of machines. I don't know exactly what it is. I didn't check. Šta radiš tu, Sophie? Tomorrow we are heading to Barcelona, so we're going to stay there 3 full days, 3.5, because we are arriving around midday, and we'll spend some time with Excel's sister, do a little bit of shopping, but the rest I would like to see the city because it's my first time in Spain, so yeah.
Ils n'ont pas de voiture, ils vont tout à pied en train.
And here we are. So we are going, I think, to the botanical garden, but I'm not sure. But let's see what the French guy says. They plan everything. Actually, they're trying to park. I don't know how does it go. So far, I didn't hear anything bad, any bad sounds. So let's see. What did she do?
She's bumping her mirror 5 times.
Drama.
Wow, style.
Yeah, I think it's not so pretty, to be honest. Do you see this behind?
Dans la ville,
Okay, yeah.
tu as un chemin.
Mm-hmm.
Tu suis le chemin et tu vas d'exposition en exposition.
Okay. Welcome to Botanical Garden. So you see this little guy here. So they made a little line which is green color. You can see here, and actually it leads you to all exhibitions, statues, whatever they made. Like I don't know, maybe paintings, maybe just the statues like this one. So it's quite cute and interesting way to show your work.
Yeah. You want ice cream?
Take the ticket.
Ah, okay.
We have met
Allez, viens.
time.
Just gonna go take a coffee and wait.
Okay. Coffee time. So exciting. It looks amazing. Look at this. Sophie, stani.
Attention, ça va. Comme dit, ça va.
My juice. Ice cream. Ice cream.
I'm glad I'm not there. What do you say, Sophie? Nothing.
Yeah.
Mine. Is it your elephant? Sophie, is it your elephant? No. Ah, it's 5:45, okay. We have time. We're waiting for our show, and at the moment we're having a drink in this nice cafe called De La Brunch. I'm having martini and just waiting for a little fun. At the moment we're going to the gallery, and after that I guess we're going to have some ride with the elephant, the big one. When you don't understand French, then you just go and run and make pictures.
Rien que pour ça, ça mérite des applaudissements. Non, ça fait pas du brouillard. On avait dû prendre plus simple, les gars. Ouais.
And the elephant is not here. No. Now?
You need to go to buy the tickets. I will buy ice cream.
Si tu buy your ticket, faut monter direct.
Okay. No idea what they're talking about. Anyway, I'm buying ice cream and with fraise. Merci. C'est bon?
C'est parfait, c'est bon, c'est ça.
This is not for me. This is for Sophie. But I don't think she will eat all of this.
Elle a dit I want bacon with you.
Regarde. Ouais. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Attends.
No, not the back.
Good morning, guys. It's a Friday and we have to go to Barcelona today. It's early, not so much, but 6:30 I think. So I didn't plan anything for Barcelona. It will be just lots of fun.
And finally we're going to the airport. With airplane.
I want that plane.
Come on, you always want plane.
Without you, I'm just moving in between the sad reality.
On y va bébé, attention.
Café?
Non, merci.
Must go, okay.
Yes, I must go.
Maman poulet, nous sommes arrivés. Oh, some underwear. That's what happens when you don't put for washing on time. Sophie, hadi idemo. Nećeš više banana.
be nice. Salut!
Dis bye bye Sophie. Non.
I'm worried that it all meant nothing. I'm worried that you don't miss me too. I'm worried that I'll never find someone to replace you.
Ah, kids area. And there is nothing there.
Holding on to what you left. Was it all
I'm intermittent fasting. So
Wait
it
to
means
wait.
I should eat at 1.
Even water.
No, water I can. We can take water, yeah?
Having a good time?
Yes.
Yes.
feel so vacant? Without you, I'm just moving in.
This is our spot. Sophie, where is our plane? Our airplane will be there, you know that? And we're going to fly to Barcelona. Do you know where is Barcelona? You're going to meet Auntie Esther.
My aunt is mine.
It's your auntie, yeah.
My auntie.
You know what her name is? Esther. Bonjour. Mandatory.
Tournez la tablette, baissez les accoudoirs et ouvrez les cachets blancs. Veuillez éteindre vos ordinateurs portables et les placer dans
Healthy and honest food. Welcome to Barcelona. Caco, welcome. Barcelona.
Barcelona. Barcelona. Okay, so what? Barcelona.
Buenos dias. Welcome to Barcelona. We just arrived and Axel is looking for our transportation, which is bus, green bus. Green ticket for 2.5.
Okay, and
She's
one way
to-
return.
One way.
Okay.
Passe à Catalunya, non? Yeah. Non. Non.
So it should be this one. Yeah, definitely.
troisième étage. J'arrive.
Bonjour. Tu montes les marches?
She just woke up.